Alright guys, so I've been doing a cafe racer attempt with my Ninja 250. So I got the clip-ons, the speedo, headlight, no blinkers yet. Handlebars look a little weird to prevent them from hitting the tank, but oh well, it's gotta be what's gotta be. So just put on a Danmoto pipe. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna cut the end of the header so I can get that more flat down. The Danmoto pipe came with this weird bracket. It's really flimsy. When you torque on the bolt, it twists it, so it's definitely got to go. But not going to give you a rev on the original, because if you have a 250, you know what it sounds like. It's not worth anything. But here you go. Has the baffle in there, so it's not obnoxious. It sounds kind of cool, I guess. When you rev it, it gets pretty loud. Really no popping or anything. I think it sounds pretty good. I just took it for a little quick test run down the road. Brought it to red line, first and second. I didn't feel any hiccups or weak points, but I'm going to do pot filters in a little bit, get that stuff out of there, clean up all these wires, and we'll see what happens.